Right, today I'm going to show you a chord scale in triads, and I'm going to do it in D. This is a great exercise for picking through, but especially just for your knowledge of scale. So this is the chord scale in triads. All the way up D. And a chord scale means that you're taking all of the notes in a particular key, in this case the key of D, and just moving it up. So instead of going up a scale like that or going up the D scale, along the way harmonizing each note of the chord along with it. So if you're doing it as a picking exercise, finger style, it's a nice exercise. We're picking pick style, and so on and so forth, all the way up the scale. But really good for your knowledge. As I've shown before, the chord scale for a major key is major, minor, minor, major, major, minor, minor, and that's actually a diminished chord, diminished minor, and major. And it comes in really useful when you're coming to harmonize. But this is a great picking exercise and for getting comfortable with the idea of a chord scale. Hope it's useful to you. Thanks for watching.